Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download and recover all your deleted message on Instagram. It is a very simple and easy method. So without waste your time, let's get started. Follow all the steps and do not skip the video. The first step is go to your Instagram, click the profile icon, and then you see the top left corner 3 lines. Click, go to account center, scroll down and you can see your informations and permissions. The second option, download your information, download or transfer informations. There are two options here, Facebook and Instagram. I'll choose only Instagram and click next. Now you can see again two options, all available informations and some of your informations. I just choose only some of your informations. You can select all your informations, but I choose only some informations. You can see avatar store, checkout, comments, events and etc. I just choose messages. So I click message options and click next. Download to device and transfer to destinations. I suggest you always choose download to device and then click next. Now here you can see format, click the format options. Always choose this file in HTML. Then you can click the media quality and now you can choose the media quality high, medium and low. Then you can see the first option, date range. Click this and now you can recover last week, last month, last 3 months, last year and all times data. It is a very simple and easy method to recover all your deleted message and personal data. Then create a file. After a few seconds, you can see my informations is downloading. After a few seconds, the download was completed and he give you all the messages informations. It is a very simple and easy method. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.